sir.
Okay, one more. So, is the
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Sir Jody!
We love you.
Love you.
Sumabog.
Wait. Ate, sir, happy birthday. Thank you for being such an awesome boss. Thank you for everything, and we wish you and your family good health and a happy life forever and ever. Sir, size 5 or 6. Size 6. Need. Size 7, sir. Mark.
Sir, Fayu, size 10.
Size 8 and a half, sir, or 9.
There, sir. Happy birthday!
Birthday, sir!
Happy birthday, sir.
Sir Jody, in behalf of Beck and Julian and the senior testers, we want to greet you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sir!
Happy birthday, sir!
Happy birthday, sir! Happy birthday, sir!
Hi Sir Jody, happy birthday.
Hey, sir, happy birthday. Happy birthday to the best boss ever.
Sir, size 7.
Sir. Sir Jones. Yeah. Happy birthday, sir.
Okay, guys. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Sir Jody!
Alright, sir, from the trainers team, happy birthday to the best boss ever. How about you guys?
Thank you thank you for being handsome.
Thank you for being
Just enjoy your rest days in US. Yeah. Of course, the size of the shirt, according to Jobs, don't forget it. And the shoes to show.
Okay.
Take care always, Sir. God bless.
Yes, sir.
My birthday is tomorrow, sir.
Keep it cool, sir. Yes, thanks.
Yes.
My
Happy birthday, Sir Jody. More birthdays to come, and wish you to have more blessings to come, sir. And more power to this company.
wish you to have good health and long life.
Happy birthday, Sir Jody.
Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Mama Chup Chup.
Yeah.
Sir, happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday,
Happy
sir.
birthday. Thank you for everything. And
1 year celebration, sir.
yeah.
See you, sir.
Sir, thank you for
Sir Big Soto.
thank you for founding EP. We have jobs.
Thank you, sir.
Happy birthday, Rohan! Ay, birthday rin pala ni Sir Jody. Happy birthday, Sir Jody.
Happy birthday, Sir Jody!
Happy birthday, sir.
Birthday, sir. More birthdays to come, and we hope to have new games and more games to play. Thanks, sir. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday.
Clap, clap, clap.
Hey Jody,
Hi, sir.
we just wanted to say Merry Christmas now. Happy birthday, of course. As you can see, a lot of us greeted you, and perhaps you're getting annoyed by now. Just don't forget our jerseys, okay, when you come back. And chocolates, please.
I curfew size 9.
Wow!
Red.
Group hug when you come back.
Oh, no, that's not gonna be possible. What is it under the code of conduct?
I want to hug as well.
Oh, okay, good. All right, COC.
I want plane tickets.
You should do well for the incentive, right? Okay. So Jody, just let us know if ever you will be partying with us by the end of this month, because we're expecting it. And happy birthday again. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!